All right, let's see what we got here.
It happens somewhere right in here.
Yeah, it does. It gets shallow real quick right after.
Right. And the wind was blowing that way too, right? So
Yeah. All right. I've got to set my fenders, and I'm gonna just pull up right along your port side there,
Oh yeah, fine.
so we can rig the ropes.
Yeah, fine.
Which way are you headed? You headed out?
That way.
Okay. And how much water do you draw?
There's a question, well, it could be 511. But what is going down boats. He come right there and he picked that boat up, put it right in the deep water. And then I called her. He said, okay, I got off and I'm going back to Titusville. I'm not going any further because the wind was too strong even in there. And the channel's not very wide in there. You probably know it.
Yeah, that is real narrow
I
channel.
bumped around when I finally came this time. But it didn't. I didn't, I came at high tide. It's better to run aground at low tide than high tide. I could use it to get myself off. But a 6-foot draft boat really is not a very cozy boat.
Do me a favor, just wrap it around your mid cleat there, pull me in.
Here, I'll take this one off. I was using the fuel there.
Just pull me up alongside so we can get the ropes attached.
I'm taking the boat to St. Mary's. There's 3 boats up there now. They've been already there for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I just couldn't get out of the fire. You can't afford to get a boat worked on anymore. You know, everybody's taking their boat to Guatemala or Honduras. This we'll pull on. We'll have to pull on another cleat. This one will hold.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to pull. This is just temporary.
Yeah, I know.
Just grab it and hand it back.
One call. Yeah, I just let it go.
Okay.
It's probably hold, but probably.
No, I think what we're going to do is you have 2 cleats up front.
Yeah, I got 2 up front. Yep.
All right. What I'm going to do is we'll put the bridle on. I'll back off and spin around and take you that way.
Yeah, I don't know.
Get you away from the
water is that way.
It gets deep pretty quick.
Okay. All right. Well, you're the boss. I'm not.
This is one area that I happen to know because we come out of
that's
here.
That's what she said. She goes, it won't be like before when I called when I got stuck back there in the back. She said it'll be several hours. Well, several hours.
Yeah, so just make sure it goes underneath your bow railing and your anchor.
I was pushing it off and I couldn't get, I just can't get around the.
All right. Yeah, I just need a quick signature. That way I don't have to come back up alongside of you once you're out. Just put your finger. Squiggle.
This must be something new. Or some company new. Yes. Can't even see what
All right. So, okay, let's undo this. So again, I'm gonna try to spin around and
Right,
come
I
out
got
that
it.
way.
I got it. I was hoping the wind would blow me that way.
And it looks like it's going the opposite way. I think we're the wind and the tide kind of working against us here. Do we? No, I should be able to pull out here. Let's.
Well, the wind is blowing that way. If I drag a line behind this boat, I put it
Security, all stations, over. This is United States Coast Guard to Jacksonville, Florida. United States Coast Guard to Jacksonville, Florida. United States Coast Guard to Jacksonville, Florida. For Coast Guard safety broadcast considering the Main Street Bridge downtown Jacksonville, listen to channel 22 Alpha, 1022, 157.1 megahertz, out.
push it away. It's that keel. It has a wing keel on it.
Well, I'm showing 8 feet right here, so.
Probably don't have to get me far. This probably be one of the easiest jobs to do.
All right, ready?
Yeah,
All right. Yes, sir. Is the engine running? Is your engine running?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Take it off.
I was just steering it, trying to
Gotcha.
keep it from,
I gotcha.
got it figured out.
Just drop it or throw it off so it doesn't hit your prop.
Yeah.
I got it. Just let go. I got it.
All
Let
right.
go.
There you go.
Good luck. Enchantress. This is Tow Boat on 16, over.
Go ahead.
Switch to 1-4. Enchantress, just be careful on these channels here. Anytime you get right outside of it, it gets shallow real quick.
Yeah, I've kind of learned that here recently. Is just got to pay more attention.
Okie doke. Good luck. Tow Boat standing by on 1-6.
Thanks again.